teman-teman semua, penasaran nggak sih di video kali ini kita bakal bahas apa?
Eits, sebentar. Sebelum masuk ke videonya, kenalan dulu yuk sama kami.
Enjoy our video, guys!
Put siapa tuh?
Putri. Jadi, pada video kali ini kami akan membahas mengenai tugas video hukum internasional, yaitu tentang ITLOS.
Itu tentang apa sih? Bisa gitu aja nggak tahu sih. Coba kasih tahu lah.
Jadi, ITLOS itu adalah Pengadilan Hukum Laut Internasional yang dibuat oleh UNCLOS dan ditandatangani di Montego Bay, Jamaika pada tanggal 10 Desember 1982.
Selain itu, ITLOS juga merupakan singkatan dari International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea.
Jadi ITLOS itu kayak bahas kasus internasional tentang laut gitu ya? Iya, tepat sekali. Jadi pada kesempatan kali ini, di video kali ini kami akan membahas tentang permasalahan antara Komunitas Chili dan Eropa terkait eksploitasi ikan torak di Pasifik. Ikan todak banyak sekali diincar oleh negara lain, dan ini nggak bisa kita biarkan. Kita harus melindungi ikan todak di negara kita.
Iya benar kali, karena penangkapan ilegal itu juga bisa mengancam ekosistem laut kita sama sumber daya alam kita juga loh.
Iya, dan kita harus menetapkan aturan ketat dalam zona ekonomi eksklusif.
Nafa, aku merasa Chili itu kurang transparan. Bagaimana mungkin Chili membuat peraturan tanpa melibatkan negara lain? Padahal kan negara lain juga menggunakan ikan todak itu sebagai sumber daya pengelolaannya.
Aku juga merasa gitu sih. Tapi ya udahlah, kita nggak usah hiraukan mereka. Ayo kita tangkap aja ikan tombak itu.
Ayo. Kami tidak setuju dengan aturan yang kalian buat. Ini adalah hak kami, kalian jangan merebutkan ya.
Kami juga berhak atas ikan todak ini.
Sudahlah, kalian diam saja. Kami akan laporkan ini ke ITLOS. The International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea hearing is now open to discuss case number 7, the dispute between the Republic of Chile and the European Union regarding the conservation and exploitation of swordfish. In the Southeast Pacific Ocean, we kindly request representatives from both parties to present their arguments. We remind that this hearing is within the framework of the 1982 United Nations Convention to the Law of the Sea, particularly Article 64, 116 through 119, which relate to the conservation and management of marine living resources. Please, representative of Chile, proceed.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Chile expressed its objection to the practice of swordfish fishing by European Union vessels outside Chile's exclusive economic zone, but still within the migratory range of the species, which affects the sustainability of our natural resources. Pursuant to Article 63, Number 1 and 64 of UNCLOS, coastal states and other states fishing for the same or associated species are required to cooperate in order to achieve sustainable conservation.
We are the opinion that the European Union has violated this principle of cooperation by rejecting conservation measures that were regionally agreed upon, particularly by the Regional Fisheries Management Organization or RFMO in the area. We request that ITLOS declare that the European Union must cease unilateral swordfish fishing in the region without coordination with Chile. Thank you, representative of Chile. Now, please, representative of the European Union, proceed with your response.
Thank you, Your Excellency. We respect Chile's sovereignty over its exclusive economic zone. However, the snow swordfish is a habitat migratory species as developed in Article 64 of UNCLOS, and thereover does not belong to just one country. We have taken science-based management measures and do not kill sovereign rights.
Furthermore, we remain amenable to negotiation through the relevant regional or RFMO. However, Chile has previously withdrawn from multilateral negotiation process. We respectfully request that it was taken into account that the duty to cooperate does not entitle any single party to unilaterally impose management measures over areas beyond national jurisdiction.
We have taken note of the arguments from both parties. Based on Article 300 of UNCLOS, which emphasizes good faith and abuse of rights, we stress the importance of cooperation and science-based joint action in managing high-seas living resource. It was encouraged both parties to resolve this dispute through further consultation and agree on joint management based on a sustainable conservation principles. The hearing is adjourned.
Sekian video dari kami. Thank you for watching.
Hana awas jatuh, Hana. Hana awas jatuh, Hana. Guys, look at that. Oh my god, so pretty. So pretty.
Ikan todak banyak sekali diincar oleh negara lain. Kita harus
apa? Lagi. Titanic.